Welcome to our deep dive into the benefits of cleaning up plastic pollution in our oceans. This vast, interconnected body of water, teeming with life, is facing a dire threat: plastic. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans, harming marine life and disrupting delicate ecosystems. However, there is hope on the horizon. Today, we'll explore how countries around the world can gain from taking action against this pressing issue. By investing in innovative solutions and implementing sustainable practices, we can turn the tide on plastic pollution and create a cleaner, healthier planet for generations to come. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the profound impact of cleaning up our oceans, not just for the marine environment, but for the well-being of humanity and the prosperity of nations. The task of cleaning our oceans presents a unique opportunity for economic growth. Imagine vast recycling plants, employing skilled workers to transform plastic waste into valuable resources. This new industry would breathe life into coastal communities, providing sustainable jobs and revitalizing local economies. Furthermore, investing in research and development of new technologies for plastic alternatives and ocean cleanup can foster innovation and attract investment, positioning nations at the forefront of a burgeoning green economy. The benefits extend beyond our shores as countries share their expertise and collaborate on solutions, fostering global partnerships and driving sustainable development. By tackling the plastic pollution crisis, we're not just cleaning our oceans, we're creating a cleaner, more prosperous future for all. Imagine pristine beaches, their sands gleaming, no longer marred by plastic debris, crystal clear waters teeming with colorful marine life, inviting swimmers and divers to explore their depths. This is the promise of clean oceans, a powerful magnet for tourists seeking beauty and tranquility. Countries investing in ocean cleanup stand to reap the rewards of a thriving tourism industry. Coastal communities, their livelihoods intertwined with the health of the ocean, will flourish as visitors flock to experience the wonders of a revitalized marine environment. Ecotourism centered around responsible travel and conservation will gain momentum, attracting a new generation of conscious travelers eager to witness the positive impact of our collective efforts. Beneath the waves lies a world of breathtaking beauty and astonishing diversity. Coral reefs, bustling underwater cities provide shelter and sustenance to a kaleidoscope of marine life. Yet these fragile ecosystems are under threat from plastic pollution. Entanglement in plastic debris can injure and kill marine animals, from tiny plankton to majestic whales. Ingestion of microplastics disrupts food chains, impacting the health of entire populations. By removing this threat, we give marine life a fighting chance to recover and thrive. Imagine healthy fish populations, their numbers replenished, ensuring food security for millions and supporting sustainable fishing practices. Picture vibrant coral reefs teeming with life, a testament to the resilience of nature when given the opportunity to heal. The consequences of plastic pollution extend far beyond the ocean's surface, reaching our dinner plates and impacting our health. Microplastics, tiny fragments of plastic waste, have infiltrated the marine food chain, ending up in the seafood we consume. These microplastics can accumulate in our bodies, potentially leading to health problems. Furthermore, plastic pollution on beaches poses a risk to public safety and detracts from the enjoyment of these natural spaces. By cleaning up our oceans, we're not just protecting marine life, we're safeguarding our own health and well-being. Imagine enjoying a seafood meal, knowing that it is free from harmful contaminants. Picture children playing on pristine beaches, their laughter echoing in the fresh, clean air. The challenge of ocean plastic pollution is a global one, requiring international cooperation and leadership. Countries that take the initiative in tackling this crisis have the opportunity to position themselves as environmental stewards, setting an example for others to follow. Imagine a world where nations work together, sharing knowledge, technology and resources to combat plastic pollution. Envision a future where sustainable practices are the norm and the health of our oceans is a top priority for all. By taking a leading role in ocean cleanup, countries can inspire global action and pave the way for a more sustainable future for our planet. This is not just about cleaning up our oceans. It's about creating a legacy of environmental responsibility for generations to come. Thank you for joining us in understanding the significant benefits of tackling ocean plastic pollution. The journey to restore our oceans requires a collective effort, with each individual, community and nation playing a vital role. Remember, every effort counts in making our planet a cleaner and healthier place. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting innovative solutions and advocating for change, we can turn the tide on plastic pollution. Stay tuned for more insights on how we can protect our environment. Together we can create a future where our oceans thrive, benefiting marine life, human health, and the prosperity of nations for generations to come.